I know at this particular moment things are not going well for you, and that's how life is, man. You know, don't have to give up. You don't have to say that things won't happen, because the pain that you're going through right now, it's something that will shape you as a better person who can be very successful in life. So you have to keep pushing, man. Even the best millionaires like Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, all of them had their own failures, but they turned their life around, they turned their business around. So you have to keep going, man. Keep going. This life, you have to keep going, keep pushing. Things will open up, you know. Pray to God to open things up for you, because things will open up. I promise you. So keep going, my brother. I'm rooting out for you, man. So have a good day, guys, man. I love you all. If you like this content, subscribe, because I'm rooting out for you. I'm here to give you a purpose, a dream. I'm here to make you chase that dream that you're saying that won't happen. I'm here to push you to keep going, man, because time is not on our side. There's no time. If you're saying that this is not the right time, you're mistakenly wrong. It is the right time for you. Every time, every second, it's the right time. So keep pushing, man. I'm rooting out for you. No one can make you feel down at this moment. So have a good day, guys. Have a blessed day. May God bless you in everything that you do. May God open paths for you. I'm rooting out for you all. Have a good day. Have a blessed day, man. Peace.